Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel I will explain and share you about Web3 world as next generation ecosystem in the future. Okay, in this channel I will explain in this time I will explain about the comparison between Web2 conventional domain and Web3 decentralized domain. I have made some criteria: ownership, control, security, privacy, censorship resistance, cost, ease of use, integration with Web3, and transparently. Okay, first the ownership. You know that current Web2 domain name server is managed by ICANN. Do you know ICANN? ICANN is a stand for Internet Corporation for Assigns Names and Number. This centralized organization will manage DNS domain name server. And in Web3, you know that as a backbone, Web3 is a blockchain. Blockchain become a backbone as for Web3 world. For example, I will show you about this comparison. For example, currently in Web2 there are DNS provider. You can buy it from for example Namecheap, GoDaddy, and Hostinger and others provider. This is a Indonesian provider. Okay, for example in Namecheap you can check available domain, and then you can buy, for example, test domain test. You will see the list below. There are some domain with the different some extension, for example .com, .domain, .net, .ai, .io, with a different price per years. So this is you need to pay and renew this this price every year. You need to pay every year because this is in Web2 domain, and you can search in GoDaddy and Hostinger and others. For Web3 in hashtags.org you can launch the apps. This is the apps, and you can log in, for example, using MetaMask account. You know, in Web2 you have account, for example Gmail or email, but in Web3 we use a wallet as account, for example, and you can use a platform, for example MetaMask or Rainbow and others. Okay, we can log in because I have accounts, so then I log in hashtagspace Web3. Okay, you can search what domain you want. For example, test domain, and then you can buy it. Then you can check out. This is the cost is only one time you need to pay this. The cost is $100, but for without renewal as compared to Web2 domain, this is just first time. Okay, check out. Then you can pay in at first, at the beginning only. No need to renew with same cost. Okay, this is example, and then you can search there in hashtag.space. There will will be many feature available. We can solve all about a Web3 world as a new ecosystem, and you can get reward because this is a not conventional organization. With this is will have a new business model, as you know that there is a DAO, decentralized autonomous organization. So user is a owner, not a product. Okay, I will explain next time in the another video. Okay, the second is centralized control, and in Web2 the control will be centralized by register, and then compared to Web3, this is decentralized by smart contract. Do you know smart contract? Smart contract can be created in the blockchain environment. Okay, for example, this is a account. I have account when we can check the in optimistic Etherscan.io. We can search this account, and we can see that this is a address account. We can see that's a token holding. This is there are 7 token. You know, this the address already changed, become Luis Cel Gendro. This is a domain name. This is as NFT, you know. Domain in Web3 is a smart contract NFT. So this is your own, not centralized organization own this, and you have all control about your domain. Okay, we can check this domain. This is, you know, there are many token there in what this account have. For example, this is a space, you know, this is space because already joined space and based on smart contract. This is for example, I will search this domain. We can search in hashtagspace. We can copy paste. Oh, I cannot copy paste. Just copy paste this. Luis Cel Gendro. We can search Luis Cel Gendro. We can open this domain. This domain already tagged by someone. Okay, this domain will redirect to some account. This is the man who have this domain. But this domain already redirect to Instagram. So we can redirect our domain to Web2 domain. Okay, this is a example. And then security criteria, the for Web2 have vulnerable to DNS attack, and in Web3 this is a high security with blockchain. We know that Web3 backbone is a blockchain, and privacy, this is a limited because this is a control by centralized organization. So this centralized organization will know about your data privacy, but in Web3 will enhance because privacy is your own, and you control full control about your privacy. And then censorship resistant in Web 2 is subject to regulation and censorship, because in Web 2 is controlled by central organization. If you have a social media, for example, it will be controlled by your social media provider such as Instagram, Facebook, email, or others, TikTok, and others Web 2 space. And for Web 3 will highly resistant because is you using a decentralized account using your wallet, and you can control full control, and no others organization will take control of your account, and this is make a high resistant to censorship. And cost, this is using for Web 2 using annual fee. I've explained before that need a renewal every year, and for decentralized domain you just need to pay one time at the first time only, and no need to renew with same price. And then easy to use. Web 2 I know still user friendly, already user friendly, so everyone can navigate to Web 2 easy. And then in Web 3 need emerging because I think still not user friendly, because this is at beginning of development. So I think about the user friendly will be easy, time by time improvement. I think in improvement still is improve in development term. So next time I think by month, by years will Web3 will become easy to use. Then integration with Web3, I think Web2 is limited because Web2 environment, and then Web3 is fully integrated because we already use wallet account without centralized account such as Gmail or Yahoo and others. And transparently, the last criteria is managed by registrar and DNS provider. DNS provider such as Namecheap, GoDaddy, and others. And then Web3 is more transparent and immutable on blockchain because this is based on a smart contract. Okay, I think enough. I will explain more detail and with other topic in the next video. Please stay tuned and see you next time. Thank you.